Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we're taking a look at the Clark's Maple Wood Cutting Board, the best pumpkin cutting board wood available. Let's dive in. The Clark's Maple Wood Cutting Board is a premium kitchen essential made from solid U.S. maple wood. This cutting board is not just any ordinary board, it's a top-quality piece weighing 7 pounds for stability and precision in every slice. Measuring 18 by 12 by 1.25 inches, this hardwood cutting board features hand grips and a deep juice groove to contain messes and enhance your cutting experience. It's perfect for all your cutting, carving, and plating needs, whether it's dicing vegetables, carving meat, or creating beautiful charcuterie boards. Made in the USA, the Clark's Maple Wood Cutting Board is crafted with durability in mind and has an eco-friendly footprint due to its natural wood construction. Each board brings a touch of the forest into your kitchen and promises long-lasting quality and performance. This wood cutting board with a juice groove handles all your chopping needs, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Whether you're preparing holiday roasts, charcuterie boards, cheese boards, or turkey and poultry, this cutting board is up to the task. In conclusion, the Clark's Maple Wood Cutting Board is a kitchen essential that offers ergonomic ease, convenience, and practicality for all your cooking adventures. It's built to last, easy to clean, and perfect for everyday use. That's all for today's review of the Clark's Maple Wood Cutting Board. Remember, for the best pumpkin cutting board wood, look no further than this high-quality kitchen essential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews on Product Critique. See you next time.